when you learn how to do your makeup with Team Stacie, you gonna learn how to do your makeup with Team Stacie, period.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and me. I feel so ordinary, stepping you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no standing with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no.
What's poppin', y'all? So first things first, I want to say thank you to Julia Hair for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send me all these goodies. Like, shout out to these companies. I don't think we realize how much free stuff we get with our wig purchases. But they did send this 4x4 lace closure wig. This is 24 inches, body wave, body yaddy yaddy. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after being washed, blow dried, bleached the knots, plucked, and everything. So I took the hot comb just to take out the bulkiness, and we're going straight into the install. And that's what I love about closures. They are affordable and it's super easy to install. It does not take that much time. It's very, very convenient. And I'm apologize for these two clips. I don't know why they came out so saturated, but excuse that. Anyways, girl, we're just installing the wig, nothing too crazy. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to install your wigs, I can do that for you guys, but you know, we're just doing a little quick install. Alrighty guys, so I did go ahead and take my flat iron to add a few curls to the hair. The hair, like I said, is a body wave wig, but after blow drying and having the hot comb run through it, it kind of took the curls out. So I'm just bringing that body yaddy yaddy back to this body wave wig. Okay, these curls were super easy to achieve. This wig is just so cute. If you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourself, everything will be linked down below so you guys can get the same wig as me, and you know, just have that first needed step to a clean girl aesthetic, period. Alrighty guys, so as you guys saw, I did go ahead and install this hair, and y'all, I'm loving it. It is giving, like, I don't know, but I feel like I should be singing it's you and me, and if only could. I just feel like I'm in the 70s or something. Like, I don't know what it is, but this wig is definitely giving body. I'm probably gonna touch up the curls for some pictures, but so for today I wanted to try something different on TikTok and on YouTube and just all social platforms. All you see is like soft life and clean makeup, and you know, I feel like it's really a trend, but we're not gonna only do a clean soft girl makeup look. We're gonna do this using drugstore products. Okay, yes, I got y'all. I got it for the girls that's on a budget. We're not trying to spend too much money. We're gonna use all drugstore products. I had to stop by the store and pick up some foundations and setting powders, but we're gonna kill it today. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows in detail, I will link it up here so you guys can check that out. But let me go ahead and just, you know, let me get the girls together. Before I turn up the music, I do want to say this. So if you want to get like a clean aesthetic, you don't want your eyebrows to be, you know, too much. You want your eyebrows to be natural and light and airy and fluffy. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your brows. So I I did go ahead and complete my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Noxzema Ultimate Clear Anti-Blemish Pads. You can get these at, you know, Walmart, Walgreens, all those places like that. This is just a nice like little cleansing pad just to clean your skin and protect your skin when you're applying your makeup. So yeah, so now that my skin is nice and clear, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bring the moisture back. And I'm trying to decide, do I wanna do a mattifying look or do I wanna do a hydrating? I think we're gonna do a mattifying look today because lately I have been on like my hydrating kind of vibe. So I think it'll be good for me to go ahead and do a mattify look today. So I'm gonna take my favorite, my face moisturizer, which is the Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer from Elle. I don't know what it is. It doesn't have this like greasy finish. It's like a nice thin moisturizer, not heavy, you know, and like if you put like, I don't know, it also has like a little bit of oil to it in my opinion, which I like it because I feel like it's thinner and it's easier to seep into the skin. You guys know I'm gonna use my secret potion, my calamine lotion. I got this actually from Walmart. I got the Equate version. I know they do sell it on Amazon as well. It's not the Equate version, but it still works the same. So I'm just gonna put 3 drops and I'm just going to, you know, just get that on my cheeks. I can't really see, I don't have a mirror on me right now. We're just gonna pop it in the places that we wanna make sure it stays mattified, and then we'll blend it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation, and I'm gonna be trying out color 332 in Golden Caramel. So if you guys have any foundations that you guys want me to try out, please comment that down below because I'm a type of makeup girl. When I like something, I stick to it. So I don't really be knowing like what y'all want to see me try out. And I'm just gonna put it on the back of my palm. And I think we're gonna go for a full coverage look today. Why not? Why not go full coverage? I'm gonna use the same brush that I used to blend in that calamine lotion to apply my foundation today. So we're just gonna go in. I think this shade is actually pretty accurate for me. Sorry, I don't know if y'all hear like a little bit of noise. My dog is like having a blast behind me. My sister bought him a toy, so he's just going in. All right guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Bluffing foundation brush, and we're just going to go ahead and just push this into the skin. We're not swiping, we are literally pushing up and down. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal. I'm gonna go ahead and take light beige and pop that under my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just take a beauty blender. This beauty blender is actually dry, but we're just gonna use that and we're going to blend out our concealer. Just pushing it into the skin. Probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could first come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. Today I'm going to be using the Air Spun Loose Face Powder, and I'm trying out Naturally Neutral. I'm actually really excited to use this face powder. This was like, I think my first like actual face powder, like setting powder that I've ever purchased. So yeah, like I'm actually really excited to try this out again. It's been years, like probably like 5 or more years since I've used this powder. So I'm just gonna make sure my under eye is completely blended out the way I like it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and push this into the skin. Okay, we're seeing. All right, I'm digging it. We're gonna go ahead and set everywhere that had concealer. So just set our full face. We're gonna go ahead and contour with Black Radiance, the True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm in medium to dark, and I like to take the second shade. I also dropped a contour, like how to contour tutorial. So if you are struggling with contouring and making your face look snatched, go ahead and check that out. I will link it above and in the description box. And I like to kind of get some of that contour product around my lace. I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lips really quickly. Take a black eyeshadow and just smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and take a face powder just to like kind of tone everything down. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Golden Caramel 332, which is the same color as my foundation. So we're just gonna take a nice big fluffy brush that I have from Real Techniques, and we're just gonna go into that face powder and just dull it down. My under eye is definitely bright, so we're just gonna lightly go under there too, so it's not too bright. We're gonna turn down the nose contour. So basically face powder is just a way to kind of make your face look mattified, but also like just turn down the makeup a little bit so it looks more airbrushed and you look like real life face too, honestly. And then for highlighter, we're gonna go with the e.l.f. highlighter. This is white gold. I think it's like the half-baked one or just baked, I don't know. It doesn't say, it just says e.l.f. and the back says white gold. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that and we're gonna highlight. So I'm gonna do my nose highlight first. Okay, that's super pretty because it's like kind of like a glittery effect. It reminds me of the Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna highlight the tip of the top of my nose bridge. I'm gonna highlight under my eyebrow, and then we're going to lightly highlight our cheeks. And then for lipstick, this is a liquid lipstick. It's from Black Radiance. This is their lip gloss, and this is in color Urban Nude. And then lastly, we're gonna set our face with our setting spray. Wow, everything we use is literally from the drugstore, and this look looks amazing. We're gonna take the Kiss Matte Finish Setting Spray, long lasting. This is my favorite setting spray, honestly, besides the Urban Decay and the Morphe setting spray. We're just gonna go ahead and set. Yeah, I've been holding my breath for ages setting my face. So we're gonna go ahead and let this dry down. I'm gonna come back in 5 seconds. Let me just touch up my hair real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look before we get out of here. All right, y'all, so we're about to do a flash test. I really can't even see what's going on over there. You know, I got this we haven't seen yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights, and we're gonna see, are we giving ghost? Or, you know, is this makeup beating just doing the motherfucking most, okay? So this is what the makeup looks like with the flash test. I can kind of see my phone from the mirror, and from that I don't really see a flashback, but I'm gonna look back and check. But from the mirror it looks pretty good. I don't know what was going on. Like, I was literally looking at my camera and I'm like, why do I look like a ghost? So I just wanted to come in, pop in real quick and show you guys like it's not getting ghosty. All right guys, so that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead and comment this emoji right here. I love you guys so much. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't already. I love you guys so freaking much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.